Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Al. Today I'm going to show you how to make a vinaigrette potato salad. This is when you don't want to use mayo in your salad. Some people don't like eggs, some people don't do eggs in a mayonnaise, so this is a great alternative, and it's got a really lovely herby dressing, and I serve mine hot because the potatoes soak up that beautiful herby vinaigrette, but you can also pre-prepare it and just serve it with whatever meal you're having or serving your guests. So it's really not that hard. It's only a few ingredients. It's cooking the potatoes, making the vinaigrette, and putting it together. Let's get cooking. All right, first thing is to prep your potatoes. We're going to put those on the stovetop to boil. The trick though, don't overboil the potatoes, otherwise they'll go soft and mushy. So you want to boil them until you can put a skewer or a fork through them. That's it, take them off the heat straight, drain them straight away. They will continue to cook a little bit when they're cooling, so do not overcook. Now I like to use these lovely baby potatoes, but you can use any potato, waxy potato really. If you're going to use potatoes that need to be peeled, go ahead, peel them and cut them up into the size you like. I like this particular potato salad a little bit chunky, so I don't cut my potatoes very small. In fact, these baby potatoes, I'm just going to cut in half, and if they're big, I'll cut them in quarters. Add a teaspoon of salt to the water in your pot on the stovetop. Then add the potatoes to the cool water. Cook the potatoes on a high heat. Once the water has come to the boil, cook your potatoes for about 6 minutes. But the cooking time will depend on how chunky your pieces of potatoes are. Drain your potatoes and set them aside whilst you make the dressing. Okay, so let's get on and make the vinaigrette dressing for the warm potato salad. First of all, I'm going to pop some sugar into just a teaspoon into a bowl, along with 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. Then I'm going to add 1/3 cup of wine vinegar. Red wine or white wine is fine. Now this is 2/3, so I'm just going to fill it halfway. And then I'm going to put 2/3 cup of olive oil. Just give that a good whisk. Then add some salt and pepper. Now we'll get on to preparing our herbs. So I have a combo of dill and parsley here. I probably got much more than is in the recipe, but I really like lots of herbs in my warm potato salad. So feel free to add less or add more. Throw that into the vinaigrette. Then I have 6 spring onions here. Put those into the vinaigrette. Okay, so now I'll just mix those herbs into the vinaigrette. Make sure they're all well combined. You don't want to mix the potatoes about too much once the vinaigrette has hit the potatoes, because they might mush up a bit and break up. So mix well here. All right, now I'm going to pop that into my bowl. And last but not least are my capers. I love capers. Give it that tangy, salty pop when you're eating this salad. Doesn't matter if some of the brine juice goes in there. It's quite nice. And then one last hit of salt and pepper. Let's give it a taste test. cut this in half so I don't really look like a real dill. That'd go really well with a lovely bit of chicken, roast chicken, or a steak fresh off the barbecue. That is really delicious, and as you can tell, it actually doesn't take much time to put that one together. So I really hope you give it a go, and I really hope you enjoy.